What's up everyone, and today we are present our database project, that is school management system. So the project starts with the content. So we have already three options here: the exit button, the reset, and the login. So let's just log in. So the school management system comes with the three panels. The first one is admin panel, the second one is teacher, and the third one is teacher student panel. So going to admin panel, we have two options here. The first one is owner. These are by default Mustafa Ghafoor and Sundar Hirani. Coming to back, we have the principal section. Here we can see the data, update the data, or delete the data. And coming to teacher section, we have these options. We can add a new teacher, we can show its data, we can update its data, or delete the teacher. So the most important part of the school management system is the student's data. Here we can add a student, we can show his data, we can update his data, and also we can delete his data. So we have used SQL database in this project. Hope you guys liked it.